Hello, my name is Austin Johnson. I'm a third year marketing major from Chesapeake, Virginia.
Hello, everybody. My name is Grace Ellis. I'm a senior business management major for Fort Washington, Maryland.
Hello, my name is Camryn Miller. I'm a junior marketing major from Richmond, Virginia, and this is our technology consultant project on Wendy's.
The mission statement for Wendy's is to deliver superior products to all their consumers and communities through leadership and innovation. The biggest risk that Wendy's takes is being overshadowed by the expandment of their competitors. Recently, Wendy's has implemented a new menu, and they have also accelerated by growing their technology. Wendy's has implemented a few strategies to reach some of their goals. The first strategy that we will go over is the Quality Assurance Program. This program was put in place to make sure that Wendy's is always producing the highest quality product. Now, producing the highest quality product will attract more customers, and it will also gain a sense of customer loyalty because the customer will know that every time they come to you, they are guaranteed a quality product. Now, the second one is product development. This is where the company is taking risk and taking new leaps into creating new products to attract new customers so they can be like, oh, okay, I see you are also producing this. Let me try that. It makes them want to try it more. Now, the way they do this is by they have created a couple culinary kitchens, analytical labs, and sensory labs to test the products, and they have even put in place a Wendy's test kitchen. Now, in this Wendy's test kitchen, they have a crazy amount of ingredients, and they just try to make the craziest new item that could maybe make it onto the Wendy's menu one day. The next strategy is the non-traditional development strategy. This is where Wendy's is trying to reach new customers in places that they usually don't meet them at. So a few of these places are like fuel centers, military bases, um, food courts, and delivery only locations. Now these places you will not see at Wendy's. Wendy's is usually they just have their set site location that is outside, not attached to anything. But they're trying to get into more of these so they could reach more customers. The last strategy that I'm going to go over today is the information technology realignment strategy. Now this strategy is where the company is trying to use a third-party program to create a seamless interaction between the digital and corporate IT assets. Now, this realignment will reduce some of the tasks of current employees, which will save the company in revenue, and they will take this saved revenue and invest it back into their technology so their technology can continue to grow at an exceptional rate.
Today, I will be covering recipe costing. So, recipe costing is a cloud based system that many restaurants utilize to increase their efficiency and decrease their cost as well. So, today we'll be discussing the benefits that Wendy's will receive from implementing this system. Recipe costing is useful for restaurants around the globe, especially those that have online ordering. So for Wendy's, their online ordering right now is processed through Grubhub. So customers place their orders on the mobile app, and then Grubhub delivers the order to them. Integrating recipe costing will be beneficial to Wendy's because it will improve the coordination with Grubhub, and it will improve the customer service while reducing duplication of employee efforts. Recipe costing is the only off-the-shelf software that uses a back office system with its own point of sale system. So this allows companies to create recipes and sub recipes efficiently by providing the cost of the item, the cost of the material, and the cost of the labor. The system also displays the total food cost and the percentage food cost, and this is done using the weight of the item. Another great feature of this system is being able to bold, highlight, and italicize parts of the recipe. Hyperlinks to videos and pictures can also be included to provide clarity to the cooks. Companies can also easily identify allergens as recipes and menus are created. Using the recipe costing will substantially simplify Wendy's recipe creating process by managing costs and increasing efficiency. Another benefit of using recipe costing is that companies can complete business-to-business operations more efficiently. So efficiency increases due to the automated production of sheets, prep lists, orders, scheduled production, and internal purchase orders. Also, Recipe Costing's e-commerce platform allows companies to generate an automated shopping list that includes sale orders, CRM, subscriptions, online orders, and tracking applications. Determining which vendors to utilize is also more efficient using Recipe Costing. So when you switch over to Recipe Costing, Wendy's will actually be able to keep their favorite vendors because of its partnership with Buyer's Edge. So Buyer's Edge allows restaurants to choose from over 450 manufacturers and over 120,000 products. Since Wendy's customers have the option to either dine in or take out, Wendy's will benefit from using Recipe Costing's online ordering software. This platform allows Wendy's to expand their customer base by streamlining the back office suite, the Cyrus POS system, and the online website. Streamlining the ordering process will allow Wendy's customers to order directly from the website with no third-party charges or fees. And when placing the orders online, customers will have the option to include modifiers, substitutes, and all of this information will be easily transferred to the cooks. Many times restaurants have the issue of having specialty orders, especially when people have allergies or things of that sort, especially when ordering online. So this will alleviate that whole process and will increase Wendy's order accuracy, organization, and efficiency when using the Recipe Costing streamlining process. One of the unique features of Recipe Costing's cloud-based system is its Cyrus POS system. This system allows companies to receive real-time food usage inventory when using their system. The point-of-sale software saves restaurants substantial amounts of money by powering the front of house through the back office system. This system develops a full POS digital booklet that provides companies all the information necessary to create recipes, process orders, and deliver food. Recipe Costing's user-friendly interface allows companies across the globe to manage tasks easily and efficiently. If Wendy's were to implement Recipe Costing, it will increase their profits by increasing efficiency and reducing their costs. Recipe Costing attracts many franchises across the globe because of its ability to track food costs, sales, and profitability. Typically, companies have to purchase multiple software applications that don't even work well together. This system allows them to purchase one that is able to display enterprise-wide operations that can be viewed by multiple operators and franchisers at the same time. Instead of using multiple spreadsheets, the viewers can copy recipes and menu items by simply logging into the system. Implementing Recipe Costing's restaurant management platform will allow Wendy's to use one platform that increases not only efficiency, but accuracy, organization, speed, and agility.
Now moving on to the social media information system portion of this project. Social media information systems is defined as an information system that supports the sharing of content among networks of users, and there are lots of social media platforms that have risen up in the past decade, including Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and many more. Wendy's is on several social media platforms, including Facebook, where they have 8 million likes and they post about 3 times a week. Twitter, where they have 3.6 million followers and they post daily. Instagram, where they have 1 million followers and post about 2 times a week. Pinterest, where they have 184,000 followers and post weekly. YouTube, where they have 106 subscribers and they post every few months, which means they're kind of inactive on that platform. And LinkedIn, where they have 73,000 connections and they also post on that platform about every few months, being inactive again. Social media information systems can be very effective for companies to collect data on their audiences and their customer base. And this, on social media, it is called social media analytics, which is defined as the practice of gathering data from social media websites and analyzing that data using social media analytic tools to make business decisions. And with these tools, businesses can see the most popular cities, the most popular ages, genders, and more about their users, their target users. They can also see what times users are most active on those information systems and what kind of posts they like the most. Like if they like informational posts, if they like commercials, if they like discount posts, all of that can be found out through social media analytics. Another key benefit to using social media information systems is customer service. The combination of customer relationship management and social media information systems is called social customer relationship management. And through this, companies can reach their customer base on a more personal level. They can address concerns in a fast and broad way. They can also reach customers quickly through DMs and through comments, and they can engage with customers in real time. And all of that together builds somewhat of a community. Lastly, social media can be very effective for companies to use because it can drive more traffic to their websites and business pages, because on most social media platforms, they have built-in ad programs and features where you can directly link your website to a post. So if you post a promotional video with the item in it, you can tag that item in the video and customers can click on that and directly go to the website. So that also increases traffic on the company's website as well as builds more customer engagement. One of the best ways for companies to gain a large following on social media quickly is through going viral. And viral marketing is defined as a marketing strategy that focuses on spreading information and opinions about a product or service from person to person, especially by using unconventional means such as the internet or email. And Wendy's has mastered going viral. They go viral almost every week, mostly on Twitter, because they have become very well known for roasting their competitors such as McDonald's and Popeyes and Chick-fil-A. They like to post funny opinions and rebuttals to tweets that those companies already make, and their sarcastic humor has gained them a lot of popularity on Twitter. And Wendy's also goes viral a lot because they like to incorporate popular culture into their advertisements, such as current memes and popular celebrities at the time, trending topics, all of that help engage their customers. Branding on social media information systems is very important because each and every social media system is different. They all have different users and they all have different content that is more popular on that individual site. So Wendy's has also recognized this and they post different types of information on each site. On Facebook, they usually post more announcements and coupons. On Instagram, they post memes and popular culture. On Twitter, they roast their competitors. On YouTube, they post behind-the-scenes videos. On Pinterest, they post healthy recipes and tips. And on LinkedIn, they post more about the corporate part of Wendy's. However, throughout branding, it is important that companies keep certain things consistent, such as their brand colors and fonts and pictures. Overall, we believe that Wendy's is very effective in using social media information systems. However, there are a few areas that they can improve on, and the big one is employee recognition, because especially in a company like Wendy's, the team members in the restaurant who are making the food, running the driveway, running the cash registers, they are what fuel the company, and without them, the company would not be what it is. So I noticed when we were going through social media, they don't really post their employees a lot. So one thing that would be beneficial to them would be having more employee recognition posts and employee benefits, not only for the employees themselves, but especially in this day and age, a lot of people are more willing to support a business when they know that that business is treating their employees well. And I noticed that Wendy's is the least active on LinkedIn, and right now, especially with everything going on with the coronavirus, I think it is very important that the company stays updated on a website like LinkedIn, just because it is geared more to employees and employees need to be updated at this time.